Well, what do I say about this? Not exactly sure really, but it's a little bit of 3D printing that I'd made by Shapebase. It's quite small, as you can see, but it's quite fluid and mobile. I call this square Maille flat end, sort of a flat end shape, but it is very fluid. The whole piece just folds and bends whichever way it wants. You can fold it all the corners into the middle, sit it upside down as a little baby cushion, sort of. Yeah. Anyway, this is the basis for my square Maille coasters and placemat. Maybe a little too thin at 2.5mm. The space in between the pieces is only 0.5mm. It all looks fine, there's nothing that's fused during the printing process. It's just I don't know, it's quite a fluid little item. So no one copy this because I've got earrings coming. And there you have it, square Maille flat end.